He's super duper excited of his toy train. That's open. The door is open. I did not lock it. And here he started making his toy train again.
Let's open it.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, don't keep the phone away. Oh my gosh, here it is!
Boy, you just throw the scissors. It almost hit my feet. Wow! Oh yeah, that's really. Oh, be careful! Knock, 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 knock! Ow! Wow!
Styrofoam.
Yeah. Oh yes, you have styro there. Wow, it's a big one. It's definitely.
And it has a house.
Okay,
house.
open at the side. Open at the side.
Which side? I think here.
Yeah.
Oh.
You need to open this one. Scissors.
Scissors. Good idea. Look at behind here. It shows us
Wow.
thousands of them.
Yay.
They all are the same as the one inside, but the color is different.
Yes. Sige na. Open this. Cut this one. So you can unbox. Oh, and you have the styro. Oh my, you've been wishing for a styro. Wow, that is a very nice. Oh, wow. You have that set. That's why. That is really amazing.
Trees.
Yeah. And you have the.
Ting tongs.
And that one, the house. That is the station.
Gas station.
No, no, no. That house. The master station office?
Yeah.
Is it how? What do you call that one?
I don't know.
Wow, Carlos was super duper excited.
Oh no, I
Of
don't
his
know how
gift.
you take this out of.
Need help? Need some help?
Truly,
Okay.
the roof can be taken out.
Okay, there you go. Wow, wow, wow.
It is very massive. And I finally have this passenger.
Wait, this is wrong. Oi, it should be here. This way. So you put it back.
This is the passenger
Wow.
carriage. Super duper long.
You are right. It's massive.
Really?
Yeah, that's the
really.
passenger and the rest are cargo, right?
And look,
Wow.
here's the ting tong.
The ting tong. It's the barrier that will stop the cars to pass when the train is passing. And it will say ting tong, ting tong.
Mama, that means
That's
I
why
have-
Carlos called it ting tong. Oh yes.
I have these.
Wow.
Well, do you know this carriage
Ah.
actually was
The same, yes.
I like this one, but I take this bit out because it was broken, and it's a flatbed carriage. And this, I have one of this,
Yeah.
two of this, and another like this train. Now where's my other one?
I have no idea. Okay, so wish come true.
But wait, where? I'm not giving. And this one too, that can also fit 9 carriages that can fit in the
Let me see
train.
your face, me. Let me see your face. Say 9 carriages.
I have 9 carriages, and when the carriage that is like this one arrives, I will have 10 carriages.
Yeah, he bought also another carriage. Only a carriage. Okay.
Oh.
Carriages. Oops. Okay. Bye. Wow. Wow, wow.
Oh,